So here it is, the Logitech replacement control pod, the Black Edition. You can find it from Amazon for 35 euros, and to be honest, the build quality is not that nice. It's all plastic, and for that price it could be better. Anyway, if you really need a replacement control pod for your Logitech system, this is really recommended because the original one is not for sale anymore, and if you can find it, it will be like 60 euros or whatever, so that's really not worth it. This is better. Anyway, let's see what it has to offer. So like the original, we have a headphone jack, on-off switch, two potentiometers, the bass control and volume control, which are really stiff to be honest. Not the best quality, but they're okay. They don't scratch when you move it, so that's the important thing. So this is the cable where it's connected to the back of the subwoofer, and the jack front that goes into your PC or whatever. It's the input signal. So let's see if it works. So we have a switch with a LED indicator that is blue, really nice. But anyway, so something I really noticed is that super sensitive, the volume control. I mean, as you can see, I moved it only 2 millimeters and it started having a really high volume. It won't scratch, that's the nice thing. So, my recommendations are: get it if you really want to, because the original one is worse than this, but it costs much more if you can find it on online, like on eBay. They sell it for even 50 or 60 euros. That's too much for me. This one costs, yeah, it's not that low. The price is 35 euros. So it would be better if this one costed less, like even 25 euros. This is really interesting if you really need it. In my case, I wanted to show it for you to make a review, so I could have made myself a control pod, but this one is nice, so why not make a review? Anyway, bye bye!